How to book a bus ticket on the redBus app. First, search for the redBus app on Play Store or App Store and hit the Install button. Once successfully installed, click on Open. Select the country and language of your preference. Create an account by either signing up on the app or by using your Facebook or Gmail accounts. Enter your source and destination along with the date and hit the search button. Towards the top of the results page, you can scroll from left to right to view the various red deals that you can avail. At the bottom of your screen, you will see several filters such as sleeper buses and live tracking by scrolling from left to right on that tab. To personalize your search, click on Sort and Filter to view the numerous unique filters which are available on the redBus app. Select your choice of filters and click Apply. Click the bus option of your choice. Select your desired seat from the seat layout and then click Done. Select your boarding and dropping points. Enter the passenger's contact and primary information. Passengers can even get a GST refund if it's a business trip. Verify your trip details, enter your offer code, and select your mode of payment. Once your payment has been confirmed, you will receive an M-ticket on your registered mobile number along with an e-ticket as well. redBus also sends a confirmation message of your booking along with other details such as PNR, boarding point, along with the phone number of the boarding point executive who can help answer any query you might have. So download the app now and book your bus tickets today with redBus.